At Pulse Technologies, we're transforming contract manufacturing for the medical, aerospace, and commercial industries. With over 100 precision production machines, we deliver complex components and assemblies at unmatched speed, quality, and cost. Our CNC Swiss machining operation delivers mathematically precise, repeatable micro-machine parts, while our expert milling capabilities extend to complex microgeometries. And we're one of the few contract manufacturers to offer precision laser welding to medical device makers. We also offer electrical discharge machining for precious metals, titanium, and stainless steel, as well as our patented laser surface restructuring process for superior electrodes and microelectrode arrays. And finally, our scratch-free surface finishing processes leave no machining lines and can be used in conjunction with electropolishing and anodizing. Our commitment to quality includes real-time statistical process control and lean manufacturing methods, and we continually review our design, manufacturing, and testing processes according to ISO standards. To learn more about Pulse Technologies, visit our website